All right, so we're getting ready to take a day trip to Manhattan, Kansas. And this kind of started in 2020 when all of our vacations canceled, and we just wanted to find ways to refuel a little bit, take a day away, long weekends. And so we're going to share it with you and hope that you enjoy it too. So where are we heading to today?
Going to Manhattan, Kansas for some family, some fun, and some football.
That's right. We're going to tailgate, go to a K-State game, meet our son for some Frisbee golf, probably go to church with him, and then enjoy some restaurants in downtown. Our favorite hotel is the Fairfield by Marriott. It's not, really elegant extreme. It's very moderate, soft beds, great breakfast the next morning, and it's down off of Point, which is an area we enjoy walking around and having dinner and just kind of enjoying the evening. So if you decide to make it more than a day trip, which sometimes ours turns out to be, there's lots of options. The Blue Mott is a really nice high-end boutique hotel too if you just want a super nice getaway. So enjoy our adventures. Here we go. Okay, so we just finished having dinner at Tallgrass Tap House, and what do you think, Jeff?
Top drawer. I'd definitely do it again.
So Jeff had the salmon sandwich with the sweet potato fries, and I had the Cobb salad with the grilled shrimp, and we'll be back. We are back. Just pulled into our driveway and we had a lot of fun. We are exhausted, but we did have a lot of fun. It's really hot outside.
Very.
So one thing we forgot to mention before is make sure you add to your itinerary a walk across K-State's campus. It is absolutely gorgeous. You could take a hammock, read a book, just relax, but it's a beautiful extra, as well as quite a few trails, and across the dam there's some picnic areas too. The one thing we didn't get to is the Kaw River to rent canoes. So next time we'll definitely do that in the spring, don't you think?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, well, that's our day trip to Manhattan. That turned into an overnight trip to Manhattan. We'll catch you on our next adventure.